I'm Adam from Sota Electrical, and today I'm working with a professional electrician YouTube channel installing another super cool product. Today I'm installing the new Q Acoustics E60 audio system, and I'm hoping to install this right about there, or maybe there, or there, somewhere around there. So this is the Q Acoustics E60, and it's been designed to be really simple to install. It's a wall-mounted controller that powers ceiling speakers, so you can have built-in audio without needing a big hi-fi setup. This system does replace the E50, but this one has improved sound performance and a better amplifier, while staying around the same sort of price point. Now, before I start cutting holes everywhere and in the ceiling, I've got a question for you. I'm going to be installing new speakers up here as well. That's coming in the next video. I'm going to be making another video following this one up, installing the speakers and how to do it. But where would you install them? Would you have one in the landing? Would you put one in my bedroom? Or would you put one in the bathroom as well? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious about what you would do. So with this install, the plan is this. Hopefully to locate this on this wall somewhere. I am on the top floor landing of the townhouse, so I'm hoping to run my cables up where I've got power in the loft, which is going to make this super easy to wire up. This is a plasterboard stud wall, so the cables should hopefully go straight up. If I remove this switch and this isolator spur, I should find myself a nice clear path to run my cables through. And then with a bit of luck, up here, I'm hoping to mount this on this post here somewhere where I have another power supply here. I've got a radial power circuit up here, which is super handy for this one. Job number one is to plan my cable route, and with these plasterboard fast fix boxes you can use them as little inspection hatches. This will help determine whether amplifier is going to be installed. I'm pleased I've checked that now. I've got a noggin right there, which is going to be a bit problematic for me getting my cables from there to there. So the simple solution is just to raise it, which is probably going to be better because it's going to be eye level for me. So I'm going to check to make sure through that hole how far I can get down with my rod, which will determine the positioning of the amplifier. Fortunately, I'm in luck. Yes. So I can get all the way down to that other noggin, which is good. So I have all the space to put that amplifier. And now I just need to find a route from the loft into this area. I think the easiest thing for me to do is just drill another hole here. Perfect. Now that I've got my cable route sorted, it's time to install that socket. The power supply for the amplifier must be within 5 meters. What's nice about this kit is it even comes with a back box. One thing I really like about this system is it can be as simple as a one-room install or a starting point that can be expanded later on. Just check it fits like a glove. Everything you need for this install comes in the box. You have the speaker cable, power supplies, a European power supply, the transformer and the amplifier. The easiest thing to do next is tape your speaker cable and your power cable to the rods and pull it up to the loft, ready to connect up to the socket and run my speaker cable to the speaker positions. I have 3 cables here. 2 are speaker cables which are going to go to the 2 speaker positions, and the other one is the power supply which plugs into the transformer. Next, all you have to do is pop that plasterboard box into the wall and the terminals for the speaker cable on the back of this amplifier removed, so you can connect them up nice and easy and plug them in after. In the box also comes this mounting frame which simply screws back, and then the amplifier simply pushes on and clips in. And there you have it, as easy as that. Here now I have my 2 speaker cables ready to go. Once we've decided between us where the speakers are going to live. The power cable that comes up from the E60 then plugs into this transformer there, like so. And this plugs into there. And then that plugs into the new socket I installed. Now we have power, but we don't have any sound yet. But I will be connecting to this system the new Q Acoustics Easy Fit speakers. But I'm going to be installing those in another video. So in that video, we'll install the speakers, connect everything up, and then finally we'll get to hear what the system sounds like. The E60 has a built-in Class D amplifier delivering 2 times 25 watts, and it can power up to 2 pairs of speakers. It also has Bluetooth built in, so you can pair it straight up to your phone and stream music straight away. One really useful feature about this amplifier is it has mono mode, which sends both left and right channels to each speaker. And that's the ideal in a space like this, but you may have speakers in multiple rooms. The system's also designed for places like bathrooms or conservatories because it has an IP6 rating, which means it is splash proof. The LEDs are also adjustable, so they dim down at night, which stops it looking like a lighthouse on the wall if the room is dark. So I'm thinking about installing one speaker around there and another one around here somewhere. And once they're installed, we'll finally be able to hear what the system sounds like. If you want built-in audio without installing a full smart home system, this is a really simple way to do it. It works perfectly with the Q Acoustics speakers, but it can also be used with other speaker brands as well. And because it's just a wall-mounted control unit, it's very easy for any homeowner to use. Before I finish though, I want to know, where would you install this in your house? Would you install it in the kitchen, an office, a conservatory, bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to hear this system working and see how I install the speakers, make sure you check out that video coming soon. Thanks again. It's been great working with a professional electrician YouTube channel. I've loved this one, and I will see you very soon.